Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and if you are running Microsoft Edge has had a update yesterday, April the 26th. Since some of the code, because of its using Chromium engine, are shared, some of the security fixes that go into Google Chrome will of course affect and be updated in Microsoft Edge at the same time. So yesterday, Monday, April 26th, 2021, there was a update for the stable version of Edge. So if you're using Microsoft Edge as your main browser, it would be important to make sure you update it. If you use it all the time, it should be updated by itself, since triggering just the clicking on it and starting to use it just triggers the updates. Should probably be up to date, but here's the version number you should be at. Upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. This will force it to be at 90.0.818.49, and that's the latest build number as of Tuesday, April 27th, 2021. And of course, that fixes a certain number of security problems. It probably and might have included a few fixes for bugs, but some security fixes in here. Make sure that you update and stay safe. The web browser being the number one thing that you use to go on the internet most of the time. Of course, it's important to keep it safe and to keep it up to date to mitigate any attacks that could come from the web that often use security flaws. And that's why you always want to be safe. And that's why you want to follow this channel, to always know when something is happening and when something new is out there, to stay safe on the web. So once again, just go into your Edge stable version, upper right corner, the 3 dots, help and feedback, about Microsoft Edge. Make sure that you have an up-to-date browser to stay safe while you are navigating the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.